Click on Enable Pick Zoom button to enable zoom. You can zoom it by mouse wheel. For defects, click on Defects button. New interface will open. You can select any defect from the defect list and make arrow on the defect. Write the new defect below. To add new defect in list and click on Add Defect button and click OK. You will get the name of the new defect in the last serial number. You can also delete the defect from list as shown in the video. For camera, click on Camera button. New interface will open. Click on the drop-down menu and select the camera. The camera will open. There are 4 buttons. One is for capture image to take image. Second, capture video for video. Third is capture properties, which helps in editing exposure, gain, ROI, color, FPS, etc. Click OK to save. Fourth is capture resolution. You can change the resolution for capturing image. Click on Switch to Other Cam, and then New Interface will open. Click on Live button to start the camera. There are 4 buttons: Image Capture, ROI, Trigger, Image Adjustment. You can change different settings as shown in the video. For calibration, click on Calibration. New interface will open. You can change the scale mode, add and delete magnification. You can click on Show Scale to show the scale bar. You can zoom on image by selecting Show Zoom button. You can change the position of scale bar as shown in the video. To edit the profile, click on Create Profile and then click Edit and select the profile to edit and edit as shown in the video. Click Save to save the changes. There are many tools in the sidebar which can be used for the measurement. You can use the tools are per your need. Every tool has different work. You can check the properties of these tools as shown in the video. There are different options in calibration. Use it as per need.